Assalamu alaikum everyone. Uh, I really like the way this editor is showing the inlay hints like this. That is, I can easily understand this user is a table name. So if you like to achieve this kind of inlay hints in your VS Code editor, then it's super simple. Just go to your extension tab and search for parameter hints for PHP. Okay, so you will get this at first place. So click on that by Mr. Chetan. So click on that and install it to your workspace, and that's it. You will get the suggestions like this. It's by default setting is when you click on it, it will show the suggestion, but you can easily configure the settings from here. So click on settings. Uh, let's go from here. So click on that settings. Let's click on settings and scroll down, and you will get the option for let's find it. Okay, so hints only for current line. So by default it will be checked, and if it is checked, then uh, you will not see any inlay hints until you click on it. So if you want to get all inlay hints available here, then just go to the settings of this Chrome extension. Sorry, it's not Chrome extension. uh, it's VS Code extension, and then just remove that check mark from here. And now if you go to your PHP code, you can see this kind of inlay hints throughout your PHP file. I hope that helps. Thank you so much.